Welcome back, Rangers, to another tutorial. It's been a while since I did one of these, but I figured I'll do one since I just learned how to do this. So usually I stream Legacy Wars on Twitch, really on YouTube, and what I usually do is I play on my gaming phone, and then I screen it onto, like, I create a source, and I use a website called GlideX, and I cast it onto add as a source onto Streamlabs OBS. But as you know, if you follow me on Twitch, my gaming phones give me problems, and so I've started to use this thing called BlueStacks emulator. And I just want to show you guys how to not necessarily download Power Rangers Legacy Wars on BlueStacks emulator. I want to show you guys how to configure your controller once you download Power Rangers Legacy Wars onto BlueStacks emulator. You can then plug in your gamepad and then play it like a regular video game instead of a mobile game. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to go to the website here, and I'm going to show you guys what it is quickly. So BlueStack emulator is a website that you can basically download this emulator, and you can play mobile games. It's basically what it is. So after you download it, you're gonna want to open it up, right? As you can see here, actually hold on, you probably can't see it. So hold on, I'm gonna leave that page up right there, right? That page. First, let me take it down for a hot second. There's gonna be lots of mistakes in this video. I'm gonna open my Elgato here so I can show you guys everything I want you guys to see. Okay, so I'm gonna open the BlueStacks here. Power Rangers Legacy Wars. I hope you guys can see everything I'm seeing. Yeah, you probably are. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do, right, is okay, you start the game, whatever. If your pad is compatible and you plug it in, it should pop up, and it'll say here gamepad detected. You just say okay, and what you do is you go to the right here where it shows gamepad here, where it says game controls, and what you do is you'll see both are there. You go to control edits, and then you want to create a new profile, right? So I'm gonna rename this profile here as my name, Reboot Ranger, right? Okay, bam. And then you're gonna want to drag and drop from the right side to the left, and then you're just gonna want to put all your inputs in. So up, this one will be left, this one will be right, be down, and then a tap spot will be, hold on, delete the top spot. Oh, how do you reverse? Okay, so top spot, maybe I could do. I gotta choose a button for it, huh? Maybe A? No, doesn't let me. There's no top spot for this game. Okay, so there's no top spot. Okay, so fuck the top spot. How do I remove that? Okay, there we go. A little icon there. Okay, for swipe right and swipe. So I'm gonna print this here, and we're gonna left. Hold on. Be left. So be up, down. This is the toggle, right? Right down. Okay, so swiping. I don't need zoom. I just need swiping. I don't need tilt. Okay, sure, don't need that. So I just need really swiping. And how do I press? Skill pad, edge roll, aim pad, free look, script, D-pad, repeat tap, tap spot. I don't know what a tap spot is, so. Oh yeah, so there we go. I press A as tap spot. So let me see here. I think that's it for it. Aim pad, shoot, free look, script, Zoom. There's no zoom in on this, so I think that's it. So we're gonna just save, right? And then let me see. So we're gonna just do a practice battle and see. Okay, so training. See if it worked. If it didn't work, then this video was a waste of time. If it worked, okay, I can move left and back. Okay, so it looks like I can use left and right to move up and down, but I can't. I have to choose what I want to touch still. So it's still it's a little better, right? You still have to use the mouse to tap stuff, but at least you don't have to. You could use some of your gamepad. So if you have like a joystick or something, it works pretty well like that too. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. This is Reboot Ranger. We're gonna exit out of here. Exit. Let me know if this video was helpful. But I just go through the because we've been 6 minutes in. I'm just gonna go through the what's it called, the instructions quickly, so you guys are not confused how I did it. So let me see here. I'll just read the instructions one time, quick times, and end the video. So it shows you all that it's compatible with. Just everything I said here. It shows gamepad detected, and then you can show how you want. See, they don't show you that you have to drag and drop, but you have to drag and drop the icons and input into what you want it to be, either on your game control or a joystick or whatever the case may be. You still have to use the keyboard as well. Allow games direct access to your gamepad auto if you're having troubles with that, and they show you how to do it left and right. Access to your gamepad, Minecraft. They show all the games you can use it for the gamepad controller. So Power Rangers is not on this list, but I would say it works as well. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that. If you have any questions, please, Gamepads on BlueStacks 5, let me know, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Warning, incoming game. Warning, incoming game.
How about taking another quack at it?
Thank you.